you see that right there.
7 in the morning. I just got off work. And they're coming to pick my bike up for service. And my light didn't come on. So I had to ride it this morning in order for the light to get on. So I'll show y'all what that looks like.
So you see that right there. And I rode in a sport for the first time today. But I had to get up to 622 miles. It says 600, but it's actually going in kilometers, so I actually need 1,000 kilometers for the light to come on. So, yeah, now I'm finna go in the house and go to sleep. I'll wait for them to come pick my vehicle up.
Oh, man.
She's pretty.
Yeah, I love her.
Every August, Motorworks does a track day up at
Okay.
Fisherman in Michigan.
Okay.
It's not that far, and this bike would be great on the track.
Yeah, I was looking at tires this morning, just like other tires, because I thought about changing. I don't know. There's like some modifications I was thinking about doing.
Oh, yeah.
And
I mean, this is basically a race bike with turn signals.
yeah. Today was my first day putting it in sports mode.
Okay.
So
Did you notice a big difference?
yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Like urban was like, it was okay. It was like kind of like slow. But once I did like my I put it in touring, and touring was a little bit faster. And then after touring, I put it in sports today just because I wanted to get the feel.
Yeah.
And like, I'm talking about switching gears in probably less than 2 seconds.
Yeah.
So,
But
definitely different.
that's what this thing is built for.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you, man. We'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay.
Have a good one.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, that's crazy.
That motherfucker would sound like a
Oh,
unboxing a whip.
the new Cycle Rage. I mean, the Fender Eliminator.
Oh, okay.
And they got the right turning signals these times. Like, this is what I need right here. This is exactly it. Got all the pieces.
Is it smoked out or is it like the regular red light?
Oh no, I ain't got no real light. I just got turning signals. So they just all LED. Like, it's just don't delete the Fender Eliminator now though. But only thing I didn't like is that this wire for the what's the name gonna be a little bit exposed, but I mean, I can find some way to reroute it, but still. But it's here. Bike is at service right now.